Today we are going to be doing Class 5th, Chapter 1, We Are Travelers Part 1. This is Part 5. I say that you watch Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. The link is in the description. Now let's get started in this chapter. 1. Observe anything different you get in each step above. Do you notice anything common? As we did last video, we did this. We saw this pattern from 73, some 7 and 3 all the way to 9. Now we take the bigger number, we make the biggest number and then subtract it from the smallest number. Or, yeah, we have to make the smallest number and then we have to minus it from the biggest number. Okay, now it is answer is 36. Now you use those two digits and make a bigger number and then subtract this number, then we get 27. Like this, so on until we reach 9. And there is something more. We see that the answers 3 plus 3 plus 6, it's 9. And then the next one is 2 plus 7, also 9. And then 4 plus 5 is also 9. And lastly, 9 is equals to 9. Nothing special. Now, as we see the next one. 2. Try the puzzle with any other pair of digits. What is common with these differences? What do you get at the end? Now, we have to make a little blank room. 0. It's that big. Now, we have some space to solve. Now, I can take a random number like 42 or 4 and 2 and then minus by 24. That then is equals to, if we cut 12, if we cut 2, that becomes 12. This, that becomes 3. That is 8. 8. And that's 1. 18. Now we have to make 8 to 1 minus 18. Then if we cut this, 11. Then this becomes 7. 11 minus 8 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now we got to 63. Now the 63 and 36. Now that's 13 and that is 5. 13 minus 6 is 7. And 5 minus 3 is 2. Then that's 27. And then 72 minus 27, that is, this becomes 12 and this becomes 6. 12 minus 7 is, 12 minus 7 is 5 and then 6 minus 2 is 4 and that's 45. Now we have to go a little bottom. Now, lastly, no, wait, it's not 4. 40 is 54 and then 45, that becomes 14, that becomes 4. 14 minus 5 is 9, is 9, or it's 9, and then that's 0. Wait, we reached it to 9. So we get 9 at the end. Whew, this pattern was like very long. Now, what are common in these differences? Now, we can do it like this. We see that the answers are like always a multiple of 9, or it comes in the table of 9. What is common to these differences? It's all of these answers are a multiple of 9. Yes. Ooh, that took us a long time. Ooh, there. Okay, no. Now we get, now we get to the third. What what digits can you choose so that you get a one digit number in the first step itself? You get a one digit number in the first step itself. Give some examples. Describe the pattern in the digits. Now we could use the digits that the ones plus 1 equals to the tens, and that's it. So this part is also gone. Yes. Now we are going to do this. We could use the digits 2 and 1. If we minus it by 12, that equals to, it's 11, 1, okay, 11 minus 2, 9, 0. There we got it, 9 at the first step. We can do the same as for 32. We minus it by 23, that's 12, 2, 12 minus 3, 9, 2 minus 2, 0, 0. That's our answer, 9. Wow. And this is the last example. I'm going to use 4 and 5. No, wait, the opposite. 4 and there. 5 and 4. Then minus 4 and 5. That's 14, 4, 9, 0. It's still 9. Wow, there's so many. And yeah, we can see some pattern. All of these have 9 as the answer. directly. That's the question itself. You get a one digit number at the end, at the first step, like super fast. Now let's go down. Now, in this, now find digits such that the difference between the numbers is 27. I think 27, it's a lot. Yes. Now we have to find the differences between the numbers 2 and 7. Now firstly let me remove this. There. Now, hmm, you didn't see me doing the snap that much. So yeah, I'm going to do a snap and now it will solve the questions 4 and 5. Yeah, this thing can like solve your answers instantly. Wait, let me firstly remove this. We don't need this big box. You can do that with that snappy. It worked perfectly as I wanted to. Now, in this, we see that 3 and 0 and that can be 30 minus 3, that is 27. Next is 63, 6 and 3, which is 63 minus 36, which is 27. Okay, all of these are 27. All, all. And 5 minus 2, 52 and 25, that's 27. And 4 and 1, it's 41 minus 14, that is 27. Like all of these are 27. And that's the question. I have to hear this. So let me remove this. Much. Why did that happen? Much better. Now in this, Mira found an interesting relation between the two digits and the difference obtained. Can you see it in the table that Mira made? Now here's a table that Mira has made. In this, I'll explain you the first one. There's 3 and 7. There's 3 minus 7 minus 3, which is 4. I think there's nothing wrong. We'll make it into two-digit numbers, that's 73 minus 37, that is equals to 36. Don't you understand? Yes, I think yes. Now you realize, but there's nothing special in this. Well, there is. If you take this 4 from the difference, like, wait, let me, there. Now, if we multiply that 4 we got as the difference, and then, no wait, yeah, 4 and then multiply by 9, that equals to 36. Wow. 3 minus 7 minus 3, that's 4. And then 4 multiplied by 9, that's 36. Wow. And then there is more. If you divide it, again 4 and 36, you will get the answer as 9. Whew, that was a little hard. This is glow glow. Trouble. Like this, that is the pattern with all of these numbers. So yeah. So now here are some answers. And I don't know why. I'm going to snap. Yes. Snooty snap. Yes, we are going to snap. Of course. Why not? Wow! It worked! In this, there are these questions. Extend this table by choosing the appropriate digits so that the resulting differences are 2, 3, 5, and 7, respectively. Now, here are some digits. 2, 4. If we minus it, it equals to 2. And if we make the two-digit number, then it is 18. Like this, there is more. And the same pattern occurs. 2 multiplied by 9, that is equals to 18. Multiplied by 9 equals to 27. Multiplied by 9, that is equals to 45. Multiplied by 9, that is 63. It's the same pattern in the above one and this one which we are doing. What differences between the digits indicate? Now, which digits indicate? Now, if we take a big number and then a small number, if you subtract it using these difference of digits, then it will likely is like very close to the biggest number, like 81. That is 8 minus 1, which is 7. That's very close to 8. Like that. Now we have to go down. Yes, it's a little small. List the numbers that give a one digit number in the third subtraction. Now this will take you a long time, but you have to now try every number. So then this is the first example. Digits 4 and 1. If we do it, 4 41 minus 14, that's 27. Then 72 minus 27 is 45. Then 54 minus 45 is 9. Then in the next example, example 2, digits 3 and 0. If we do this, 30 minus 3 is 27. Now this exact same two steps occur on these two. So yeah, these two work. Now this is the last question we are going to do. Not in this chapter. Identify the pairs of digits that lead to a one-digit number after the maximum possible amount of subtraction. Compare your answer with your friends. Yeah, you may have friends in your classroom. You can do this. And you can do this like challenge to friends by getting the highest number. Firstly, 9 and 0. 90 minus 9 is 81. Yes, this is a multiple of 9. But this process will be long. Then 81 minus 18 is 30, is 63. Then 63 minus 36 is 72. Then 70, oh, yeah, it's 27. 72 minus 27 is 45. And 54 minus 45 is 9. Yes, this is 5 steps. But this is the like a lot. That's 4 steps. Oh, yes. One, two, three, four. Yes. Okay, that's. Yeah, 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus and 5 minus. Okay, that's 5. 5. Steps 4. Okay, 4 steps before reaching 9. So 90 or 81 lead to the longest chain. The largest difference equals the biggest number and then is equals to the longer recursive chain. Meaning you have to have like a big number. Its tens place is a lot, but its ones place isn't that much. Yes, you may thinking 91. Well, okay. Wow, that's a lot. Now 91 minus by 19, 11, and then this 8, that's 2 and 7. And then if we minus it by 27, that just leads us to 3 steps. And we need the maximum. Now, the video ends here. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like to this video for more textbook solutions like this. If we are going to get 200 views on this video, I'm going to do part 6. Wow, that's a lot of parts. So yeah, this is me going bye, 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 bye.